Welcome! In this quick demo, we'll show you how to create an agent-wise goal versus achievement report in TOJL CRM. To begin analyzing performance, head to the Report section from the main sidebar. This is where all your performance tracking and analytics tools are located. Click on Create Report to start building a new performance report tailored to your team's goals. Open the Report Type dropdown to choose the format that suits your analysis. Select Goal versus Achievement. This report type helps compare actual performance against predefined goals, a useful view for tracking team or individual progress. Now choose the specific goal you'd like to track from the list. For example, we'll select Monthly Lead Target. This lets us evaluate how close each agent is to reaching their lead generation targets. Next, define the timeframe for your report by clicking on the Date Range field. Choose range, e.g. last 15 days. Click Preview to generate the report based on your selected criteria. The report displays each agent's performance, showing how their results stack up against the assigned goals. You can also switch to a visual format by opening the Chart dropdown. Choose from different chart types, like a bar or line chart, to identify trends and quickly spot over or underperformers. From here, you can view target data under each goal. Now let's rename the goal. Once done, click on Save. You can revisit this report anytime. Simply go to Goal versus Achievement under the Reports menu. This report gives you a real-time snapshot of how each agent is performing, making it easier to stay aligned with team goals and take action where needed. And that's it. You now have a visual, real-time view of how your agents are performing against their goals. Use it to stay informed and take action faster.